Please, Maharaji, tell me what are the causes of unrest, like first thoughts.
So today you are going to ask question to me first.
First one is thoughts. How thoughts are the reason of uneasiness?
I say everybody is uneasy. You see anywhere. Uneasy means lot of question what to do. It means that the ideas are spread all over. Then we are uneasy, and when you go and your ideas close, suppose that you go in deep sleep, then where they have gone? Suppose that you slept, where the ideas and uneasiness gone? There is nothing, no uneasiness, no problem at all. Sound sleep, forget all and everything. So uneasiness means to close the ideas of mind, and uneasiness means to scatter them. So many things. Do you get it?
Yes. Okay. And the next cause of uneasiness, unrest is our deeds in the previous birth. Means our luck, how our luck or destiny have uneasiness in our this present life.
And this is another question. You have listened it, about it, something that. But I tell you, what is your deed? What is your happiness and unhappiness? Deeds mean that is called destiny. Destiny?
Yes, destiny.
Destiny. So what is that? And from where that come? That we make ourselves. So there is three things. One life's destiny is something else. This is our this time life. This or this life. And before that life, previous life, karma is no suffering. Previous life, suppose whatever he did, so is in front of no. So in front of the no. If you give somebody the pain, he will give us pain. If you love him, he will love us. If we help him, he will help him. Whatever in the previous life we did, so we will. Some come near or dear. Who is near dear? Wife, children, this and brother, sister, relative, friend. Who? The man who is to take from us and to give us. They come to near dear. So some come for the give pain, some come to help us, some come to one is wife. So she helps his husband. It means that previous life you had help her and love her very much, so she come in that way. To revenge. Revenge. And suppose that in the last life you deceive her, so he came here for to deceive you. If this knowledge where from we get from there, we go to the perfect master, and he will explain us. You complain, sir, what to do? My husband is painful, always speak bitter to me and pain me, trouble me, this and that. Listening here, say, he is not your husband. In the past life, you have given him lot of trouble and lot of pain, so he came here in the shape as a wife. So you cannot say anything. If you say something, complaint against your wife, other people say, yes, you are bad. So the perfect master will explain you that you don't worry about it. It came for that purpose. So what to do? You tolerate it. Tolerate it. If there is no any remedy for any disease, then what cannot be cured must be endured. If doctor says there is no treatment for this, then you tolerate it. If 3-4 doctors you saw, that's all doctors say, so this is no remedy, then you tolerate it. What cannot be cured must be endured. So the perfect master will say you that you have given her trouble, and she came for that. What you are in debt, so you clear that debt, and you are all right. So this is the karma of the past life, and which are availing just now in this life. Whatever trouble, not in life is karma. The past life, whatever did, so they will come to you. If somebody pain, if somebody deceived, if somebody looted, if somebody beat, if somebody murdered, so he will murder us. It means that this is the subject, perfect master know it. She says he came and that so many people were there, but he murdered him. So perfect master not puzzled. He said, no, so he said, in the past life he murdered him, so he came here to murder him. That is nothing, not big. It is revenge he took it. It means that perfect master to go be perfect master, and he will tell that this is the you did and that you are getting. What if you have given pleasure, if you have given help, whatever you have given him, so he will give you. When you have permitted this thing, no trouble at all. So you tell, if your wife is speaking bitter to you, and you go, thank you, madam. You seems very like. Yes, she's very nice. Please say it again, please. Happy mood. He will technique. So after some time, she automatically will deal with it. Something change will come him. We see also a woman, man, human being, as human being. When you see that he love me very much and very polite, whatever he say, he tolerate it. So she will be soft, and you take all the time. Slowly and steady, tolerate her. But at the same time, if you have knowledge, then perfect master will say, always praise him. My wife is very good. She helped me this and that. She will hear that I trouble him. He say, my wife is very helpful. So there will be change. So he will explain us. You have given me spirit. You have given me power. Your radiation give me. You wanted to listen from me. So automatically I tell him what is wrong or right. I don't understand. If you understand, then I what is getting it. If you do not understand that. Correct? Yes. So past lives karma to give reverence and clear the debt, we come here. What kind of the debt that is? This is the first. Second, in this life, what we are doing, that is saying the Kriyaman Karam. That's called Kriyaman Karam. Now we are doing what here? It is Kriyaman, present. So we are waiting, we are suffering the past life's karma, and side by side I make new. I think new thing. Think, say. So the new karma we are making. So the perfect master will explain us, you do one thing. You always speak polite. You always wish well for all. You clear your heart for others. Others, let them do what they are doing. But you clear your heart, you do not deceive anybody, you do not pain anybody. So you saw what do? Shiv Sankalp Mastu. A man, you always keep very fine ideas. Very fine, Sankalp means?
Resolution.
Eh?
Resolution.
You should have a good resolution. So that you do not pain in this life, you do not make any mistake. So be very peaceful and live smiling, happy mood, and talk like that. And do not deceive anybody. Whatever you say, you correctly. But it is out of our control. Sometimes we are unhappy at that time in the anger. At that time we speak forward. Oh, what he did, nonsense, this, that, hurt to other. And we have no knowledge that not we. Even a Rashtrapati, even a king of the king, whole are blank about it. This is what I am telling to you. I am not boasting about it. What understood, that all are direct. They do not know what you are speaking and what result will come. Nobody knows what you are thinking, so result will come. If you are thinking good, the result is positive. If you are thinking bad, result is bad. Result come, if you are speaking good, then the things come in your favor. Your success is everywhere. And if you do not speaking good or pain to others, it means that your ideas are not positive, negative. Negative, positive, do you understand? I think so. When we think something good, then that is positive, and when we think some bad thing for ourselves or others, then that is negative. So always have a positive idea for remedy for this.
Okay, okay, thank you.
In this life. So you make this life very nice, make good deeds. So in future life when we go, all we get. In this life what we sow the harvest in this time, in due course of time, which is next life, we get that all. If we give some charity in this life, next time we will get that result. Not then and there. It is proper time. Save the deeds. Whatever deed in previous, that is not us yet. It is जो क्या कहते हैं in Hindi सिंचित कर्म, and in English say
Accumulated.
accumulated. So that is what was this? That how you create that? That is that you get all the knowledge about it. And last time you got this is the God's face. Men do not do anything. It is God is player. God is in us. He do that. You understood fully. At that time you say, I did nothing. It is God in me. Whatever sin I did, that is God's. God was present in me. So how I to blame? I will not blame. It is God. So you don't accept them. It means you have the knowledge, and by the knowledge fair, all the karma go. Nothing. As you think, so it is. Nothing good, nothing bad, as you think, so it is. But when you think that I did not wrong thing, God was present in me, and whatever I did, He was in. He to blame, why I am? That is simply. This is game, nothing. This is the game of the karma, this and that. This is not truth at all. You don't accept. Do you follow me?
Yes.
So
Yes.
there is no effect of the karma. So 3 times the karma, sinchit karma, and past life karma, and the present life kriyama. And they all we are in karma and died, again born, again whatever did come, again come. But we are in bondage of the in life is chakra.
Cycle of rebirth, cycle of death and rebirth.
This is in chakra. Everybody here.
The third reason is humanity do not know how to produce noble children. Means संतान उत्पत्ति कैसे करें?
How to produce the new children? Suppose good children. People nobody knows. If the woman of the this land understand in the beginning before this children time, before maturity, mature time means the time is for producing children. This knowledge, what he is saying, so they will bring such a generation that they will please help all the world, and this world become heaven. All are good. Officers are good. This and police are already good. Because children come from the woman. They are the producer of the humanity. And if they have knowledge that whatever type of generation you want, so you can produce. There is very much power in your desire. Strong desire. Oh God, bless me with a good child. So He obey me and my family. He gave me pleasure and to my family. You are kind enough. Humanity all in trouble. So they give me such a child so that he will help all the humanity. It means that he will come in the shape of the prophet, or he will come in the shape of the some scientist, new scientist. So everybody who are unhappy, they give something and he will be happy. So this is depend upon. If the woman understood this thing, then they can change it. No leader, no religious leader, if you are keeping this secret, no the political leader, no the other speaker, they cannot change the world. Only woman can change it. They have a desire of the very good child. What good? You obey her family, and loyal to her, and make her happy, and make all the family members of his family happy, all the near and dear, and not all the near and dear, but all the humanity is in the trouble. So help all the humanity. Then somebody that comes to her, and he will do like that, whatever other thing. And when the child is in mother's womb, then at time whatever she think, so the idea is going in the child. So after 3 months pregnancy, the child comes the sense which God in him. Super being, a person, a small particle, come after 3 months. Then at that time the child move in the body. So if the idea is given to mother, while the child is in you, if you dance, the level is done. If you feel the desire the sexual pleasure, the child induce that thing. And before age he will be very sexual. Before age, because of 25 years or 20 years after that, but he becomes in this small life or suppose short age, 15, 14 age of his life, he learned from the boys, see from the theatre, see from the cinema, and he become. So he cannot be fully mature. He grow, but not mentally fit, not bodily fit. Weakness is there. The power is in the semen. And if the semen is being maturity, he will be mature one. Do you understand or not? So thing is that mother want, if mother is think like that, she can change the world. In hell, in heaven. Hell, in the place of hell means trouble, someone trouble here. And he produced such a world to say happy, everybody happy. And no trouble, like a very pavitra atma. Goddess is goddess, God or goddess.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, clear, sir. The fourth reason for uneasiness, unrest is lack of celibacy.
Uneasiness, again, previously I told you uneasiness, but the same thing is here again. What is the reason? Reason is this, so many reasons are there. First reason is more burden on the mind, and then the mind upset. So many ideas come, so that mind is upset. And third, the first and the root is the celibacy. In the childhood, the boy lost his semen. The girls or the boys, there are so many ways. Or if we looking the girls photos of that, then the girls come in his dreamland and they enjoy the sexual pleasure and the semen and after that. So that is the cause of the uneasiness. If more than excess of everything is bad. If for child produces that is better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for the pleasure, for pleasure, happy, then lost it, and he has easiness, uneasiness, always worry, sorry, this, and mind is not fixed at one place, and money is not fixed and not she. Do you follow?
Yes, getting so.
That is root cause is this. Root cause is in the before age. He waste his semen for one ethe by the thought or by the touching. In thought he has so power. If a thing is in thought, maturity is there. So in dreamland, same girls will come there and meet him, enjoy the sexuality, semen discharge. And at that point, oh yes. So this is root.
Yes.
Root is this of uneasiness. All the men you see, even a high officer, I have seen so many officers, IAS, IPS, doctor, engineer, mechanic, and they are uneasy. They are not declared mad because they are not registered, but they are half mad. So half of the people are mad. Half of the people, officer, this and that, big and small, all. They are mental. Current reason is there, so many reasons, but root is the
lack of celibacy.
Lack of celibacy. That, but they are not registered. And those who go, the scientists will say you have something upset in your mind, you take regularly this medicine. And if you have knowledge about that, then he will say. Otherwise he will not say. Whatever I am saying, he has no knowledge at all. This due to this, he is mental upset. You take regularly one medicine, morning and evening. 3-4 day first they give him compose him, sleep. First to do the treatment, first he give compose, so he sleep go. After sleeping, the normal things come, and then he began to then test it, and after that he give the medicine. So this ordinary people do not know. This is the duty of the man who is perfect master. He knows, seeing him, talking him, he can tell you this thing. He need not advertisement for this thing. What question?
The fifth reason of yes, one more. Fifth reason of uneasiness is ignorance. The humanity is in ignorance, agyan, that they are going to die one day.
Yes, humanity is it.
Yeah.
Not even man, humanity is in ignorance, and it needs knowledge, and knowledge will give perfect master. Hereafter that you have no doubt at all, no worry, no sorry, no fear, fearless, and like a lion, because he will tell you maintain your celibacy, and if celibacy in you, you are like a seer. You don't afraid, don't hesitate, because heart is career, you can talk, any officer is there. I myself did the service, so one big officer always, they are to please me, very, very kind to me always, because I know them, what is mentality. According to that I work, and they was very pleased. If he was some mad, then I ignorance that, sir, you are very intelligent, you are very wise, sir, you are saying like that, comes idea.
Yes, now please put some light on remedy for peace. The first is concentration of mind. What is concentration of mind?
Concentration of mind is always need. It is lack of concentration, we are all trouble is that. We cannot concentrate. We cannot fix our mind. A reason is for that, sexuality.
Yes.
Rest of semen is the reason.
Yes.
Concentration of semen, this was the, whatever work you are doing, you concentrate. It means when you concentrate, you do the work very nice. And second, you have no knowledge about home or here, what is going on. You concentrate the mind here. So far in office, you are in office work. Suppose that you speak in office, so at that time your office, you do the office work, this is not the other thing. Or you are so interested that you do immediately all the work and concentrate and finish it and then go to home. Otherwise, not. It will be concentrated. Suppose that you are cooking food for yourself, and you concentrate in that, then your mind is fixed. You put the right type of the thing in that spaces and all and everything, and this that food will be very nice, eatable, because you concentrated and we love. The sir will eat it, my husband, and he will ask me, what is this curry made of? How you made it? It is very sweet today. It is very, because you are concentrated mind. And when your mind is here, you are cooking food, oh, she will come and then I will ask her, and there I shall go there, choo, choo, choo. That is it. So concentration is required everywhere. This is this को कहते हैं कर्म योगी. कर्म योग. दूसरा भक्ति योग. Bhakti means a man cannot do anything, and he takes the shelter of the God. Oh God, I am very weak enough. You are my helper. Please, you advise me. Please, you give me wisdom. And he totally surrendered to him. That the God will help him. God is always with him. God is always, but people are not believe. So he will help him. So the men who do not do anything are always take the shelter of the God. God is with him. So this is called Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti means service. Service. surrender.
Yes.
So everything will.
And Gyan Yoga.
Jnana Yoga is very all and everything. Jnana means if you have Jnana Yoga, knowledge, so you, whatever you want to, you do. If you come here and be something like that, you will be. If you want to go return, you say there is no chance in life. In life, everybody is in trouble. So Sada ke liye, forever, I not come to in this lok. Death and die. I shall be always Amar. Never die, never death. For that one is the salvation, fully. For this is what you have to all give up all the karma, all the deeds stop. So how to do that without deed, without any karma? We cannot live. Without work, we cannot live. There must be what we will eat. So he will do in this way. Suppose that you are shopkeeper, you open the shop, and at that remember him. God, the shop is yours. I am working your servant. I shall do whatever advice you give me, I shall do. But whatever profit or love, that is your. I may not do all the profit or love. That is your, that mine, and you work. All the day long you work, and at evening, so put a lock and say, oh God, it is your job, I did your work, and whatever profit or what is loss, that you are responsible. You do not, this happen, you do not come. When there is nothing to do, you, why you will come here? Karam kare ni karam rahe. And do the work, but he say, I do not do. You do yourself. Totally surrender. This is called that way. So
yes,
listen.
Yes, getting.
That man will go there. Because at the end, we have no work to do. And the perfect master lead him how to go there. For that one is a concentration. Here. Later on I shall tell you.
Yes.
Not today.
Okay,
this
okay.
is last subject.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything other.
Remedy for peace. You already told that do not consider your actions or deeds of your own. You understand that these as of God. Yes. I am serving God.
Serving God.
Yes, you already told, sir.
Yes.
And another one is do not.
Are you understanding or not what he say? If you do not understand, tell me.
Yeah, another way is for peace is do not engage in the result of your actions. Karm phal mein lipt na hokar karm karo.
You don't attach with her. What we are here, sorry, what? We are attached so many places. We are always bondage in the attachment. First is the family attachment. This is my wife, this is my child, this is my wife, this is my this. Secondly, the material, home material we are involved. Mine, this book is mine, this ring is mine, and this is horse is mine, balance is mine. Attachment that is. In the other same page that he say about the attachment, what said you do know? Badhe tum gaade bandhan aan. Badhe tum gaade bandhan aan. Pehla bandhan padya dekha. First attachment is wife, the body. In body you are speaking. Second, wife. Wife ke liye husband. Badhe tum gaade bandhan aan. First is your body. Second is your wife. Third is your wife or husband is empty. Third is your son, and fourth is son, and fifth is son, and fifth there is no limit at all. Other one, your house, mine house, this and that. And the Haveli, Koti, good building, that is mine. So कहते मरे बिना तुम छूटो नहीं. And without die, you will not detach from these things. And jite ji tum suno kan. In last few time, you do not listen the knowledge. So there is not one attachment. One is the body, this and that. Other is the family, this and that. So you detach from them, then you can go there. So who will make you detach? The perfect master. That what is your attachment? That is temporary. We are all visitors here. Some come for 20 years, some come 50, 60, some 90, like my mind, 70, 60, like that. It means that attachment of family is detached by the perfect master, saying that they will not go with you, but here you need all. So far you live here, you do the drama. Suppose that you say, Madam, you are very dear to me, no doubt. And you say, Sir, I cannot live without your saying daily. Like that, do the drama. But you understood what? Gentleman not go with me, and Mrs. not go with me. One day I go alone, she go alone. This knowledge will be perfect master. Living in the sermon, this knowledge give. How to detach? What is attachment? First is the family, this and that. Second is the property, bank balance like that. And third is anything, nothing.
Son, grandson,
family. Son and grandson and this relative. And fourth is, he says that you cannot be detached from them. So Satguru Guru teaching perfect master that in the life you don't understand, and after this you will not come to that. In life you do not understand like that. So is I am living in that thing? Yes. I mostly. Sometimes I forget. When I forget the name of the God, at that time I forget. And come to the level of the mind. Mind when thinking, thoughts come and think it right. And when I have knowledge about it, free from all. From the family, whatever happened, that is a common thing. Some say somebody of your family died. Oh yes, everybody died. I shall be dead. It was karma up to here. Here he was some dead, career and dead, and now he won. So in the during life, it is the perfect master he gives knowledge. Without perfect master, no God will give. God is within you, talking. He is with you. Knowledge will give outside, from outside. Whatever outside he already give you, so develop. He do not say, when you meditate at that time you see there is sun, there is moon, this and that, and there is the dark night, and there is this, and there is light also, white light, and red light like that. And there is what is that? Voice, internal voice, very sweet, that is not expendable and not can be written on the paper, or cannot tell from tongue. Untellable. That is for realizing. Suppose I am eating jaggery. I say, what are you doing, sir? I am eating jaggery. How tasty it is? Very nice. Then you say, like sugar? No. Like milk? No. Like honey? No. Because jaggery on this. So why I want to make you realize, then I give one small piece of jaggery, I until from that and give to you. This is God. Anubhav. So Guru always is such a way that he studied you the technique so that you realize it. He is free from all doubt. This all attachment, you think temporary. Understand? But furiously, when they get such a virag, such that all is jam, so they give up the home and begin run away and take the bowl, the mango.
Begging.
But that they are half knowledge. In this period, the Kali Yuga saint or the researcher said that you live therein, you return their debt all everything, and the world is so die up to rest there, and service them, wash their house, this and that, all, and drama that he is my good son, he is my good wife, like that. And in the heart you see, none is mine. When I go, somebody escape from here, not me to me, in old days. He do not expect that somebody will help me. So I accept, he will help me. And he is in you. So this knowledge you have to accumulate in the living lifetime, not after death. And the perfect master will give you in short time. As chances come, he will give you. I feel it difficult to talk because not remember the word, forget the language. And if I speak in Hindi, so throw the. Those who come, a few days they understood all everything. Because daily what happen with them, so I tell him, not new thing. Why are you worried? What trouble you are feeling? This is the cause. And everybody they understand. When they, in the assembly of the satsang, assembled for the religious matter conference, you may say satsang. In that I talk the men who are suffering for that. You have trouble is this, reason is this, remedy is this. Your trouble is this, reason is this, remedy is this. Three things to all body cover that. After saying so all, I ask any question. Those who hear me carefully, no question. But those who did not ask me, listen to me, and come this sudden, and then say, yes, I have one question. Whatever is in his heart, he will talk. So this is my daily business. When I go in High Court, who will let me to talk? Session Court, Collective Court, doctor, engineer, mechanic, professor, highly educated people trust me. So they do not let me to talk. But after saying that thing, I ask a question last. It is my duty. Always I ask. Anybody have any doubt? I have no police. In Vyas you see there is police. Sevak is police there. बैठ जा, बात मत करो, लड़ मुड़ा लो, बैठ जाओ. Controller, I have no controller. No need not control. Because God is in them, God is in me. I have love for all and talk politely and respect that God in you, not in me. You are God. I come here to see you because you are human being, I also human. But I got this knowledge, you have no knowledge. You have no knowledge what you are, like that.
Yes, complete, sir. Thank you so much.
No, gentlemen, you are listening, you ask no.
I only have one question. Yesterday you said how the knowledge comes into your mind. Yesterday you said something about this. You get this knowledge from books, you get this knowledge from experience, your experience, but I did not understand how you meant this exactly. Maybe you can explain.
Take it. What he's saying?
Yeah, he is saying that you said yesterday we get knowledge from inside. So you were talking about law of radiation. Please explain that.
How I got this all?
No. He is asking that you said yesterday you get knowledge from here, center of knowledge, Trikuti. And when you meditate, the form, physical form of God means the true master. When you meditate and think about him, knowledge will come by his radiation. So he wants to ask about that.
Not here. This is not no knowledge. Final knowledge, whatever lies, no doubt here is the center of the knowledge, all sort of knowledge. But I did not get from here. I do not stay here. I go further. This is the place of the knowledge. Little up is intoxication. And further is here light, simply light, very white light. That is called the Bhauragupa. And then last here is the light is, that is called the heaven. White light, all things light. There is some basti, there are so many people, Surat, body, these things.
Spirit.
That called the Surat or spirit. So many spirits are playing this and that. So that is up to here. And whatever I realize that behind this, here this small child, tip, and here, 6 months or 8 months, after that not. I reach here, and this is called in the technical language, alak niranjan. So there no voice, no saying, there is no the thing which give pleasure, no. Simply you go there. And this you think, talking, that is called Surat. Surat listen that thing. Surat listen that thing, and that is a voice. That is not Ram Naam, that is not Allah Naam, that is not Radha Swami. That is made here to make them understand. Separate sect are there, and they their own name. There is no name for that. So what is that here? Here is the a voice very sweet. I cannot write on the paper, I cannot explain by tongue. Here is the same. And listen, the speaking in me, Surat, spirit, this is listen. So here starts, so I direct come here and told here I concentrated and simply I getting a pleasure that cannot be related. Unable to explain you to Guruji here, and this and that going on, and very happy. Kandi, what is that? He said, this is the bhajana, whatever you come to me. This is all, and this is name. This is all and everything. You have directly come here. And I myself have did lot of hard work, but could not. Two Guru, Jinde, human being. First was Rama, Krishna, who suppose, and second Radha Swami Dayal, Hazur Shivarat Lal. They are unable to tell me directly. And I cannot go here. I concentrated on their shape. I get Siddhya. Whatever I want, so get. And other say, well, I want this thing. Le, child, le, take it. You get child. Wealth you want? Le. I give that. I never touch that thing. And you come here. And I come, realize here sometime. But for being, for the time being, stay I here and then go down. So you live here, you completed your traveling from here to here up all today and reach the near destination. No, there is very short to you. The destination is very short. At that time I do not know what is destination, what is saying. Destination is very short, means I have to come up to here. Here I get complete rest, or I mix with the God in the ear. He told, and then he said, this is my Guru, I believe in him, I get all everything. You do not believe, you don't get anything. If you say something wrong to him, he will not punish you. Whatever you think, so it is. I have believed, so I get it. You have no belief, no get it. So religion is stand on the belief. Those, after that they said, you go and do your work. This is manzil, but not do always. Otherwise you don't service. You are baragar, you give up the service and run away. That is not the jnana. So you do the work. Whatever you come here, do duty first, religion after. Whatever your duty, you are an officer, so you do your officer duty, and when you go to your home, you do your home duty. If you are husband, do husband duty. If you are a son, son's duty. What a son should be, like that. All the duty you do, or due course you do, and not to go from home. Always do your home. Here you do service, getting good pay, good officer. They respect you always. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Or you do this, and keep the maintain the celibacy. At that time, I do not understand it. What celibacy? After some time, in some sermon, he was saying that you maintain it. If you maintain both celibacy, you lost your power. This and that. And accidentally, my wife death. We have two children. I have at that time. Then I marry again, because like men, everybody want to give her girls. Her girls are ready, officers, young age. So many people offer. I said that is very difficult. The two children are there, and that lady will not look after them. So I want to such a woman, so that they rear them and keep. Because at dying time, your mother called the children, and he give her hand. The children's hand in my hand, tell, this is my children, take care. you will get a wife, lot of 1, 2, 3 that you want. But my children, you look after them. I said, yeah, okay, I shall look after. So I remember that word, or for that word, I did that shadi, uneducated or wife. And that is. Then I complained to Guruji, Maharaj, I have married and I don't want to go sex or pleasure. Don't do it. He said, did you ask me that I am going to marriage again? No, sir. Why are you asking me? After marriage you ask me. Why did not ask before? Sir, that is, I had no idea. No, you are telling and I understood. But listen me. You do not go knowingly. You do not go for your desire. If she wants, serve her. If she desire for children, you serve her. Or you produce 1, 2, 3, jitne children she want. And after that, your pleasure you do not take it. And explain, if possible, why you die. This is the thing. If he understood and agree with you, all right. So she will be made one day. If excess sexual pleasure work, then become mental. Because he lost the semen. So explain what you do for her demand. I did that all. This after that, I reached there, the yoga need not to me. I realized it, always it was open for that. For that, only it was
56.
56. The talk, the action was at that time, when I went there, and today is that. Always the thing is, when I in a house, I hear this voice. I hearing always. No hearing the voice and talking to you. I will not do anything, Rama, Rama, Krishna, Krishna, no.
No need of
He is a pain. Kabir say, Mera साईं जब मुझे जपा तब चाहूँ विश्राम. The God Himself, He remember me, तब I be happy. So मेरा साईं मुझे जपा, and same is with you. Same thing is in you. Why not? Because you have no desire, and no is listening, so you have desire, and when you have strong desire, it will do it. You take a distance, whatever you want, what I understood. So that thing I do not understand. After that, Guruji told the Devachan Mittal, who was publisher, one copy of my satsang always sent to this officer, military address, for care of 56 KPO, Captain At that time I was Subhadar. So continued the complaint go to me, and I read the complaint. Next complaint after 1 month come, before that 2 times I read. Only Pandit Fakir Singh, not his guru, not his other, so only Pandit Fakir Singh. In that sermon, in that talk of the religion, all he give, and slowly I know all. All his satsang come to me. Since 1956 se leke. So the knowledge comes slowly. The full knowledge comes slowly, not in one day. But the things which, the way which I want to recognize myself, that come first day. And after that, 1962, I was sitting in the mess, officer mess in Delhi Red Fort. There is a military officer, and Rashtrapati protection I buy you to give them. So we are at Rashtrapati 1 to look after Rashtrapati, Prime Minister, for that duty. So I there at that. So one day I was sitting there, officer was drinking some, playing like that, and I myself sitting sofa set. And sitting, listening the internal voice, Ya Ram Naam ko God's name, I become unconscious. I reach there, not simply, automatic. I become in unconscious state. Senseless, no sense. In sleep, deep sleep. Sudar Dharm Singh Bate Dogra Sikh, who sat where I sat to eat. He see me And from there side he come to me. What are you showing? Said, you are sleeping. If you sleep so senior man, then what do we do? All the officers went there, all the reported you, and all the went, so you are not coming. We both go there. I also take the meal and thinking about what happened this. After 2 days thinking, I got 2 days or 3 days leave and go and get the permission, and we went to Sharpur. 18 daily Mandi was that. There was no ashram at that time, no Manuta Mandir. His house, own house. I went to him as I asked him, why you come? Why you come? Sir, this happened with me. Sitting there, I unconscious, as a deep sleep, no house. And after I said this, but in the future, do not try to concentrate. Sitting there, you try to not, you take the food and come back, and not try. You reach the destination, this is destination. At dying time, you realize that thing. At dying time, that thing will come you will not come here. At dying time, if suppose somebody else come, your wife come, your brother, sister, relative, any, you will the same journey for some time. And after that again come. Dying time, if your guru came, then you come again and get all the knowledge from there. You come here, their mother, fathers, all are with you. So he told that at dying time this thing happened to you. Only this sound you come, then you go to destination. You never come back and stay there. So not in one day, it took time. Due course of time, uchit samay. I get knowledge, all side knowledge. All side. I see the man and understood it. So seeing the man and understood the jnana, what is jnana? Perfect master is a doctor for body, mind, all.
Yes, Maharajji, he is saying that he is now presently he is taking knowledge from you directly, face to face. But when he go home in Germany, to his native place, then what to do? Does your radiation give him knowledge, this knowledge?
My radiation don't come. If he remember me, then my radiation come. If you see my photo, this and that, and you want to talk, then come, otherwise not go. I have no knowledge about it, where you are. And you are calling, I have no knowledge. Power in you. Not in Guru, but those who believe in Guru, those faith in Guru, they get it. Power in the man who is faith. The reality is this, that power is in the
Seeker.
Seeker, who is seeking. Radiation come to the seekers who remember me. Suppose that you remember me, automatically my radiation goes to you. You see my face, this and that, and anything other. Any question, gentlemen, you give him a chance.
No.
Claim that I know all everything. No. God knows it. Simply whatever I realize, I think, so I am telling. What experience I have, I will tell. But I do not know this is final. Final may be something else. अच्छा भाई आपको कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो you may ask also.
Anybody else want to ask? No? Thank you so much, sir.
You are perfect. You are the perfect. Your faith you do all everything. If you have faith in God, then God is in you. If you have no faith, there may be so many God. Don't bother about it. If you have faith in man that he is a religious, he is good, then that thing.